I have previously prepped all of the edges of my boards, and when fit together, there is a nice tight fit with no gaps. My next objective is to alternate the end grain. As it is right now, each of these boards, the end grain is facing down. I want to make sure that the end grain is alternating down, up, down. Additionally, I want to make sure that the face grain looks nice. On these particular boards, there are some areas where we have a knot or some other defected areas. Here we have another one. I want the top of the project, which is what everyone's going to see, to look as nice as I possibly can. I'm also checking that the grain pattern lines up with each other so that when this is glued up, it looks like it is one board that was never glued up. And when we got everything the way we want it, we're going to number the joints so we know what orientation the boards go when we glue it up.